Welcome to GoLogica. In this video, we are discussing about Docker training, an extensive course designed to help IT professionals master containerization and DevOps workflows. We can provide a roadmap of this course, about the course prerequisites, eligibility criteria, roles and responsibilities, salaries training program, and key modules. Here we discuss about the course. The Docker training program is an industry-focused course designed to equip IT professionals with the knowledge and skills required to build, deploy, and manage containerized applications using Docker. This course is ideal for developers, DevOps engineers, cloud architects, and system administrators who want to enhance their expertise in containerization, microservices architecture, and cloud-native computing. The course offers in-depth knowledge of Docker architecture, image creation, networking, storage, security, and orchestration using Docker Compose and Kubernetes. Participants will gain practical experience with essential Docker tools, including Docker CLI, Docker Hub, Docker Compose, and Docker Swarm, enabling them to automate deployment processes and improve scalability and efficiency in software development and IT operations. The training also covers container security best practices, ensuring learners understand how to secure containerized applications and integrate DevOps workflows with continuous integration and continuous deployment CI/CD pipelines. Additionally, students will explore real-world use cases, including multi-container applications, persistent storage management, and container networking and monitoring solutions. Through hands-on labs, live projects, and expert mentorship, participants will be well prepared to implement modern containerization strategies in enterprise environments. In this course, learners will be proficient in building, deploying, and managing scalable containerized applications while adhering to industry best practices and security standards. This training provides a strong foundation for mastering Docker and advancing careers in DevOps, cloud computing, and software development. Let's see prerequisites for the training. To enroll in this course, candidates should have basic knowledge of Linux Windows operating systems, understanding of command line interfaces, CLI, familiarity with virtualization and cloud computing concepts, knowledge of networking fundamentals, optional but beneficial, prior experience with DevOps tools or scripting languages. Now we discuss eligibility criteria for DevOps. This course is suitable for software developers looking to deploy and manage applications using containers, system administrators wanting to automate infrastructure management, cloud engineers interested in AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud containerization, DevOps engineers implementing CI/CD pipelines with containerization, security engineers focused on DevSecOps and container security best practices, IT managers and architects leading digital transformation initiatives, QA engineers implementing automated testing in containerized environments, technical support engineers transitioning into DevOps and cloud roles. Now we discuss the roles and responsibilities of this course. After completing this training, professionals can take on various Docker-related roles, including, after completing this training, professionals can take on various DevOps-related roles and expect competitive salaries based on their expertise and experience. DevOps engineer automate build, test, and deployment processes, manage CI/CD pipelines. Average salary ranges $110,000 to $150,000 per annum. Site reliability engineer, SRE, implement logging and monitoring solutions. The average salary is $120,000 to $160,000 per annum. Cloud DevOps engineer, deploy applications in cloud environments like AWS, Azure, or GCP. Estimate salary earnings from $115,000 to $155,000 per annum. Automation engineer developed and maintained automation scripts. Work with CI/CD tools to automate software delivery. Can earn the average salary $100,000 to $140,000 per annum. Security engineer, DevSecOps, implement security in CI/CD pipelines, and the average salary $120,000 to $160,000 per annum. Release manager, manage software releases and version control. The average salary is $105,000 to $145,000 per annum. Kubernetes engineer, deploy and manage Kubernetes clusters. implement service discovery and networking in containerized environments. The average salary is $115,000 to $150,000 per annum. Finally, we know the training program and key modules. The Docker course offers an updated curriculum, practical experience, and expert-led sessions covering major Docker concepts and practices. Key modules include Introduction to Docker, Setting up Docker environment, Working with Docker images and containers, Docker networking, Data storage and volumes, Docker Compose, Docker Swarm, Kubernetes for Docker containers, Docker security best practices, CI/CD with Docker, monitoring and logging in Docker, and hands-on projects, and certification preparation. The training covers Docker architecture, components, installation, management, networking, data storage, Kubernetes for Docker containers, security best practices, CI/CD with Docker, monitoring and logging. The training also covers container security best practices, ensuring learners understand how to secure containerized applications and integrate DevOps workflows with continuous integration and continuous deployment, CI/CD pipelines. The Docker training program by GoLogica is a comprehensive and industry-relevant course that prepares IT professionals for Docker-based DevOps roles. With live sessions, 24/7 support, practical projects, and certification guidance, learners will gain expertise in containerization, CI/CD integration, and cloud-native computing. By the end of the course, learners will be proficient in building, deploying, and managing scalable containerized applications while adhering to industry best practices and security standards. This training provides a strong foundation for mastering Docker and advancing careers in DevOps, cloud computing, and software development. Upon completion, participants will be ready to design, deploy, and optimize scalable, secure, and high-performance containerized solutions. Enroll today and take the next step in mastering Docker and advancing your DevOps career with GoLogica.